Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a 10-in-1 multivitamin for your pets, and it's beef flavor. Let's open this up and I'll show you guys what it looks like here. I have a little puppy, and I don't think I'll be giving this to her yet, but because she's only 3 months old. But when she gets a little bit older, she'll need some good multivitamins to keep her healthy. And let's see how we do this here. Oops, I missed the garbage. Okay. But now open it up, and you can see it's a little dropper bottle. And so what you'll do, you can kind of see it's a little foggy little liquid inside of it. And I'm not going to open it yet because I don't want it to go bad, but for under 10 pounds, which is what she is and will be, it'll be a half dropper full. So that's a half a milliliter. So you'll just kind of mix that in with her food, or I can just squeeze it into her mouth. I mean, she'll drink anything probably that I give her, so I could just squeeze it into her mouth and she would be happy with it. So this is cool. So it's a 10-in-1 multivitamin for your little puppy, or your big dog, I guess, too, because it'll do for 36 pounds too. You can do 2 droppers full, so got definitely options. So nice little setup here, and you got what you need. Let me see. Yep, you can use once up to 3 times a day. So it'll last 2 years if open, and it can last for about 2 months when you open it. So that's why I'm going to wait to open it until she's ready. So super cool. Thumbs up.